Welcome to the Clinical Forensic Medicine Fellowship Program at New York City Health and Hospitals, Kings County. This fellowship is a one-year training program designed to build leaders in the field of clinical forensics for emergency medicine. The fellowship will be the first of its kind in the nation's most extensive healthcare system and consists of direct patient care and education of emergency medicine learners within an urban Level 1 trauma center. My name is Dr. Rajesh Verma, Chief of the Emergency Medicine Department at New York City Health and Hospitals, Kings County. The time has come to recognize the need for a formal education and training process for providers practicing frontline forensic medicine. Emergency medicine physicians with dedicated training in this discipline will not only improve the initial care of patients who are victims of trauma and abuse, but also improve their advocacy in the legal system. We are proud to have Kings County pioneer such a program in New York City.
I am Dr. Bridget Alexander, Director of the Forensic Clinical Services. We have an ethical obligation to fulfill a critical role in safeguarding our patients. The hospital experience for victims of violence, when handled by the forensic fellow, will be the beginning of the healing process rather than an extension of the trauma. Throughout the fellowship, the fellow will collaborate with experts in forensic and law enforcement agencies to gain valuable identification, prevention, and action skills.
My name is Dr. Elias Youssef, the Associate Medical Director for the Department of Emergency Medicine. As the only active training program for emergency medicine physicians in the country, this fellowship will serve as a conduit for the development of highly specialized providers. It is our goal that graduates of this fellowship will use this unique skill set to not only train other providers, but to also ensure that victims of violence and abuse receive the highest quality of care. Emergency medicine physicians, nurses, and advanced practice providers are first responders in caring for victims of trauma and abuse. Formal forensics training is key to ensuring optimal patient care and a successful legal process.
My name is Dr. Cassandra Aganor, and I am the first fellow of the Forensics Emergency Medicine Program at NYC Health and Hospitals, Kings County. I have been given the opportunity to be a catalyst of the change I had always hoped to see in our community. This fellowship will grant us the resources to unite healthcare professionals, the Medical Examiner's Office, District Attorney's Office, and the New York City Police Department to deliver not only time-sensitive care, but culturally sensitive care to survivors of trauma and life-changing experiences. This is only the beginning. Some areas of expertise include forensic examination of special victims, wound ballistics, criminalistics, biologic evidence identification, documentation, preservation, and more. We're excited about this fellowship and hope you can join us in our journey to higher quality care.